Crime in Bollywood, a brand new series, starts June 24th, 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom, 100% Bollywood.
Well, राजनीति की सक्सेस के पीछे एक बड़ा रीजन है उसका जबरदस्त प्रमोशन, एक ऐसा टूल जिससे फिल्म थिएटर में आने से पहले न्यूज में बनी रहती है. So how is this relentless media coverage achieved, and has promotion actually become bigger than the film itself? Well, it's an interesting topic और इसी पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है रोहिणी अय्यर, who's the managing director for Raindrop Media. Rohini, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for calling me.
Well, you're of course not new to this field. You've been doing this for such a long time. You've been associated with most of the recent hits, be it Houseful, be it Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani. So I want to know, how does it all work? When do you guys start promoting a movie? How much before it's released?
See, it depends from film to film. It depends if you're starting off with a strategy right from the beginning of the film. There are some filmmakers who prefer to launch it right from the beginning. There are some who also like the approach like we did with Lavachkar. We decided to keep it completely low-key and then move on to it 3 months before the release. And we had 3 months of aggressive campaigning for the film, and that worked.
So how do you devise a selling point for a film? For example, if we take the case of Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani, so a lot of talk was made about Ranbir and Katrina's chemistry and the alleged affair. So how do you guys, decide on one selling point?
See, the Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani was concerned, there was in fact nothing happening there in terms of Ranbir and Katrina. In fact, as teen icons, they were promoted. It was a very, very deliberate attempt at promoting them as teen icons, as youth icons. And it was a completely comic book driven film. It was a film it was more like Archie and Betty. And that's the way we promoted it. The whole campaign revolved around it, right from the designing, from the product placements, to the way the publicity campaign was designed.
But if you look at the same combination of Ranbir and Katrina, they came again in Rajniti, but the alleged affair or the romance, all of that was overshadowed. In fact, Katrina ka Sonia Gandhi se related angle zyada play up kara tha. In fact, in real film, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, except for probably one scene that you can say that there's
Not really. I mean, that's the transition of her character. So I think it was rightly promoted because that's what she becomes in the end. So it kind of leaves room for a sequel also. There could be a Rajniti 2 with her taking over from where, the rest of the guys have left off.
Whenever you're promoting a movie, do you take the stars into confidence before that?
See, normally before every release, today the stars are actively involved in media campaigns, so they also like to sit with you as and when to figure out in spite of their busy schedules, because it's also the way they're going to be projected. It's their film. And if the film is very dear to them, then yeah, we do sit down and we work out the whole strategy with the stars concerned.
But are they finicky enough to have it on their contracts? Is it like that, legalized?
No, that hasn't happened yet. That happens in Hollywood, and I wish it would happen here because it would make life easier for everybody.
तो क्या stars को पहले से पता होता है कि ये selling point बन सकता है या बनाएंगे? Are they kept into confidence?
Not really. I don't think this happens. But and also such link up and such stories happen with certain publicity campaigns where maybe the filmmakers or the publicists concerned are not very confident of the product. So they decide to push this angle before because they think this is the easiest thing that works because controversy always sells. But no, they are never kept in the loop for this. And I don't think they agree. I mean, they would be stupid to agree.
Well, superstars की बात कर रहे हैं, so let's also see what Big B has to say about promotions these days. Let's take a look at that.
आजकल कलाकारों को फिल्म में काम करने के लिए पैसा नहीं मिलता, प्रमोशन करने के लिए पैसा मिलता है. रण फिल्म को हमने मैंने 10-15 दिन या 20 दिन काम किया होगा. लेकिन 1.5 महीने से हम इसकी प्रमोशन ज़्यादा काम हो रहा है.
So, रोहिणी, आपको लगता है कि कभी-कभी stars are exploited more for the promos than for the film? जैसे बिग बी ने बोला उन्होंने इतना लंबा शूट नहीं करा जितना उन्होंने प्रमोशन करा है.
But I don't think that normally happens with him because he's very careful of he's politically extremely correct.
But ऐसी कई films होती हैं जिनमें even if you have a small role, but if Shah Rukh is there, his role will be promoted a lot more. So what do you have to say about that? Because audience को क्या impression मिलता है? It's completely opposite to what it really is.
But that's misleading the audience completely, and that's one reason why some of those films don't do well. In the exception of recently Dula Mil Gaya released. They put Shah Rukh all over the place, but he was barely there in the film. It was Fardeen's film, so the film didn't open.
Now talking about the money bit, कितना percentage एक पूरी movie के budget का is set aside just for the promotion? on
I
an
think
average?
about right now, pretty much about 10% of the budgets of a film are set aside for a promotion. Though I wish it would be like Hollywood, where they normally set aside a chunk of 30 to 40% for
And you
promotions.
wish it turns that way.
I do wish it turns that way.
So finally, do you think that promotion has become bigger than the film itself?
Today, yeah, totally.
Yeah.
But the promotion, of course, drives the audience in for the first day, first show. The first 3 days are pretty much what promotion is.
Well, thank you very much for joining
Thank you.
us.
Thank you for having me.